Here's how to turn article into video using AI. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. Then after that, you need to click on the link in the description and you will land on this page. After that, you need to scroll down and click on Get Started for free. Now it will open up this page. Here you will need to create an account. You can also click on Continue with Google if you want to sign up with your Google account. Or you need to enter here your first name, last name, email and password, and then after that click on Continue. After that it will send you to the login page. Here enter your details and then click on Continue. Here it will ask you what is your main video goal. You can select from here any option that you want to choose. I am selecting here monetize views on my YouTube channel and other sites. Now click on next. Then it will ask you about your organization. I am selecting solo here. You can select other options if you are not working alone and then click on next. After that it will ask you how would you describe yourself professionally. Select the option and then click on submit. Then it will open up this page. Here you will see different options. So here you need to go to article to video section and then copy paste the URL of article of your website. Now open a new tab and go to your website. After that scroll down and open the article that you want to convert. Then copy the link of your article from here. After that go back to your site and paste the URL here. Now click on the proceed. After that it will start to convert your article into video. Wait for a while until it is completed. Now as you can see it has created the scenes for your video. So here click on the next option at the top right corner. After that it will open up the template library. From here you can select your desired template according to your video, or you can also go to my templates and select your own template. So I am selecting this template here. Once you have selected it, then you need to select the aspect ratio of your video. After selecting it, it will start to create your video. So here you need to wait for some time until it is completed. Now as you can see our video has been created. You can click on preview option at the top to view your video. So if you want to remove the watermark from your video, you need to upgrade your plan. You can download your video by clicking on this download option at the top. From here select your desired option and then your video will be downloaded. So this was how to convert article into video using AI.